Mayor, sa mga areas tayo na minsan madaling magbaha, what do you think is causing the floods in the cities,
Sa kuan,
areas?
there are kanang two kinds of flooding. Number one is street flooding. Usually, ang cause ana is ang problem sa drainage. And then the other one is overflow of rivers during a very heavy rainfall. Yes. So kung mag-overflow, overflowing na rivers, mas madali yan siya. Kasi palaliman lang natin and then lagyan ng revetment, lagyan ng dikes, ingana. But ang more complicated is ang drainage. Opo. Kasi ang drainage, since from old and new and ongoing, sometimes di na sila mag-interconnect, sometimes wala na yung outfall, which is the common problem. Nawala ang mga normal na outfall sa drainage because doon na property na nag-build,
Yes, correct.
or doon na building dito nga gi-obliterate niya ang iyahang drainage. So kanang mga ingana. So ang nahitabo sa atoa is that we address case-to-case basis. So if we see na there is flooding in this area caused by a drainage problem, pinapatingnan natin sa ating mga engineers, and then we ask them what is the correct engineering solution to solve the street flooding. So yun. And then also there is the problem of elevation.
Yes.
So ang usual na bagong roads natin, ma'am, is mataas. So ang nangyayari, yung mga properties bumaba. So ang natural outfall, pag hindi maganda yung drainage, papunta doon sa property. So yan yung mga very common na ang nangyayari, yung city government naghahabol. May bumabaha na dito, so anong kailangan gawin? And then pag na-solve na yun, lumipat yung problem. Yes, so usually ang nangyayari sa atin is na naghahabol tayo sa pag-solve ng drainage issues. And ang nangyayari sa atin, ginagawa natin case-to-case basis, ay ang ating master drainage plan was 1995 pa. So it really needs updating, which we intend also to do.